Start by flipping over the laptop and remove the monitor swivel brackets. Remove the dust covers from the screw holes shown. Save them somewhere you will remember. Using your screwdriver, unscrew the bezel cover. With the spudger, pry all 4 corners of the bezel. It might be difficult, but be persistent. Rotate the laptop to give yourself enough leverage and space to pop off the bezel. There are 4 screws holding down the screen. Go ahead and remove them. Lift up the panel and flip it face down onto the keyboard, revealing the back connector. Using the spudger, lift up the tape. Using the tweezers, lift up the bracket locking tab. Using both hands, slowly disconnect the connector. Installing the new screen. Ensure you plug in the connector properly. Push it in and ensure the locking tab is in the down position. Place the tape back down to cover the connector. Flip the screen up and install it back in the original position. Then install the 4 screws holding down the panel. Place the bezel onto the laptop. Align it and pop it in place. Reinstall the 4 screws holding down the bezel. Place the dust covers back onto the screw holes. Flip the laptop over to the back and reinstall the swivel bracket covers. You have completed a screen replacement.